products for 2, 5, or even 10 years. But we want to show you glimpses of it now so you can share our excitement. Welcome to Usana Future Lab. Product prototypes and give input long before these products are released. Future Lab is divided into project areas. Areas of specific study, which are each led by a doctorate level in-house scientist for each product. With each project area, product concepts are being developed. Now, I'm going to share with you 4 of our lead scientists will be beaming in from Usana headquarters to take us through their Future Lab area of study. Now remember, we're not talking about current products, and nothing that you see today is guaranteed to be released at this convention or at any other convention. But we want to give you a glimpse of the future. All of what you see in Future Lab is actual research and development going on right now. You're going to take a look at the future of health sciences. First, we have Dr. Jesse Johnson beaming in from our global headquarters. Jesse specializes in genomic techniques, which put together data from many scientific disciplines to help us understand complex health conditions. She completed 6 years of postdoctoral training at the University of Chicago in the Department of Human Genetics, where she received extensive training in genomic analysis. At Usana, she uses these advanced techniques to push back the frontiers of cell-signaling pathways associated with nutrition and supplementation. Dr. Jesse Johnson.
Since the introduction of Usana Intelligence technology 2 years ago, we've been talking a lot about cell-signaling pathways. These pathways are the lines of communication that tell the cells that make up our bodies what to do. We're not talking about the nervous system where your brain consciously sends electrical impulses to your muscle. We are talking about the intelligent mechanisms already built into your cell. Right this very second, millions and millions of messages are being communicated between your cells and inside your cells. It's how your body operates. And of course, your body gets messages from the outside, from the environment, and from your diet. For example, when you go to lunch today, cell signaling pathways will trigger the specific parts of your DNA to make the right enzymes needed to process that food into energy. And these pathways will intelligently adapt based on what you choose to eat and how much. When you exercise, you don't need to tell your heart to speed up. It will do that automatically, as your muscles send biochemical messages to your adrenal glands and from there to your heart. The more we know about how cell signaling pathways work, the more we can optimize them, as well as activate health-preserving processes. All of our products send countless beneficial signals to the body, and intelligence products are designed to optimize specific pathways and health benefits. We're already seeing this with Cell Essentials and some of our optimizers. Celavive also features intelligence for a healthier looking complexion. It's exciting to see the benefits of our products in Usana's ongoing quest to make them better and better. A few years ago, we surveyed a group of Essentials users in the United States. Their self-reported mental and physical health was better than the US average. Then, we had them try Cell Essentials for a month. In key categories, they reported mental and physical health improvements above and beyond the benefits they experienced from their Essentials. That's pretty awesome. And here's where it gets even more exciting. As we dug deeper into the data, we found that older females reported less physical discomfort than younger females, and older males reported a greater energy increase than younger males. In other words, everyone felt a benefit, but certain groups felt significantly more benefit. Now that we know this, we can start to ask why. We want to maximize the benefits of our products for everyone. I'm about to tell you about a cutting-edge scientific tool that not only helps us understand signaling pathways, but helps us understand how they work differently among different groups of people. Because here's the hard part about understanding cell signaling pathways. There are millions of them, and they all intersect and work together. If we want a certain response from the cells, sometimes it's impossible to know where to even look to find the right pathway. Because of our expertise in the health sciences, we do know where to look in many cases, which is why our products are so good. But this whole cell signaling picture is a puzzle that will take decades or even longer to completely decode. But what if we had a master code that helped us understand all this? Would that be pretty interesting? Introducing the Personalized Omics Project. Personalized omics allows scientists to look at all the factors that make you, you, from a biological point of view, to develop powerful health solutions. It's important to understand that your uniqueness is about much, much more than just your DNA sequence. So imagine that this is your DNA. Now these dots represent everything we know about how your diet influences cell signaling in your body. Here's how your personal physical activity affects your cell signaling. Here's your climate, ethnicity, family health history, and many other factors. It's important to know that genes on your DNA are actually being turned on and off by all of these things. Together, all of these factors create a detailed picture of how genomics, choices, and environment will affect cell signaling pathways, bodily processes, and of course health. Let me say that again. All of these factors together determine how your body responds to the world. Genomics helps us understand how all of this influences your health. I like to call this a personalized omics fingerprint. Everyone's omics fingerprint is unique. Now, let's look at how we can use omics technology to make stunning advances in the health sciences. Last June, researchers published a study in the journal Science Translational Medicine that offers a great look at all this. The research used omics techniques to identify potential treatments for type 2 diabetes, a debilitating disease that comes with a lot of challenges and affects millions of people. Type 2 diabetics can't properly control their blood sugar or glucose levels. And in these individuals, the liver tends to overproduce glucose, further complicating things. So it would be very beneficial if we could find a nutrient that encouraged liver cells in these individuals to make less glucose. One way to begin our search would be to test 1,000 different nutrients to try and produce that glucose-lowering effect on the cells. Unfortunately, since we wouldn't really know where to start, this approach would be a little like shooting in the dark. And it would be extremely expensive and time-consuming. The other way to go about this, the omics approach, would be the following. Find people who already have liver cells that are overproducing glucose. Compare their genomic signatures to see what they have in common. The result will be the omic fingerprint of type 2 diabetes in the liver. Then you compare that with a database of nutrients to find one that creates a similar fingerprint. If you find a match, you know that there's a good chance that that nutrient will affect the cell signaling pathways associated with type 2 diabetes. And in fact, researchers recently used this approach to discover a common natural extract that can reduce glucose production in liver cells. Without this omics approach, scientists would have had no idea which foods to start testing. This same accelerated scientific approach is what Usana is now doing. With the Personalized Omics Project, we're looking at health benefits we want for specific groups of people and then tracing those benefits back to nutrients that can be the basis for exciting future product concepts. Imagine a specialized formulation developed to target not only a specific health need, but a health need of someone with your age, gender, ethnicity, and lifestyle. We're talking about major breakthroughs in personalized products with detailed information about how they work and why they're so effective. How much easier is it to share a product when you can tell a potential customer that it was designed for someone just like them? Also, remember that your daily choices impact your omic fingerprint. This is part of our research, which could result in specific, powerful lifestyle recommendations customized for you and your customers. These new product and health innovations are just over the horizon. With the cell signaling power of intelligence technology, Usana has already begun delivering the next generation of nutrition and personalization. And now, with personalized omics, we are taking that research into a whole new realm. We're taking yet another leap into the future of the health sciences. We are now in an era where we can decode what the human body is telling us about what it needs to stay healthy, which means that Usana will continue to be the ultimate personalized nutrition company for decades to come. Thank you.